He's trying to find the carrot.
Oh, he's trying to find a carrot. Woo!
Go get it. Go get it. It's right there. It's right there. Go get it. Go get it. Doc, right here. Here's another one. Where's the other one? Where'd it go? Go get it. Good show.
Where is it?
Good show. Go get it. Where's the carrot? Go get it. Go get it. Go get
Where's
it.
the carrot? Come on, let's go find the carrot. Is it over here? Ooh, I see it. I see it. Look, it's right here.
Go get it. Where is
Right
it?
here, look. Right there. Look, under here. Under the judge. Look, it's under there.
Those crazies in Montana who say we're going to kill ATF agents because the UN's going to take over. They're beginning to have a case.
And the image of the gun as a symbol of resistance is wildly popular.
Look, John.
Doc, go get it.
Underneath the trash can.
Doc, Doc. Here, buddy, look. Look, it's right there.
The governors of Louisiana, Georgia, Alabama,
Yeah, it's Frank Butler. On John's phone.
Good
Mom,
job.
look at that.
Good job, dog. Come
It's
here.
coming towards us.
Come here, dog. Good job. Good job. Ducky. Sit, penis. Sit, penis. Penis, sit. Sit, penis. Yeah, good boy.
Ducky, bah!
3 interstates here in Georgia were forced to close due to stranded cars and
Stop.
2,200 flights, most of them in Hartsfield, Jackson, Airport in Atlanta, the world's busiest airport.
Ready, ready. Sit, penis. Sit, penis. Penis, sit. Sit, penis. Good boy.
Yeah, it's going to be really nice. Well, you're going to have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning and shovel snow so your mom can get to work.
Nah, not 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, she has to leave at 6.
Okay, why not get up at like 5:30 then?
Alright, Doc. I'll leave you alone. Bye-bye.